Hello everyone, welcome back to Brain Booster, where we share informative and interesting videos on various topics. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important resources we have on this planet, water. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 tips on how to collect and use rainwater. Tip number 1, install gutters and downspouts. The first step to collecting rainwater is to have a system in place to capture it. Gutters and downspouts are an essential component of any rainwater harvesting system. They collect rainwater from the roof and channel it into a storage tank. Make sure to keep your gutters clean to prevent any debris from clogging them. Tip number 2, use a filter. It's important to filter the rainwater you collect to remove any debris or contaminants. A simple mesh filter can be placed at the entrance of the downspout to prevent leaves and other debris from entering the storage tank. A more advanced filter can be used to remove bacteria and other harmful contaminants. Tip number 3, choose the right storage tank. Choosing the right storage tank is crucial for your rainwater harvesting system. The tank should be made of a durable material, such as polyethylene or concrete, and should be large enough to store an adequate amount of water. It's also important to consider the location of the tank. It should be placed in a shaded area to prevent the water from getting too hot, which can encourage the growth of algae. Tip number 4, consider a backup water source. While rainwater harvesting can be an excellent source of water, it's important to have a backup water source in case of drought or other emergencies. A municipal water supply or a well can be used as a backup. Tip number 5, use the right pump. If you plan to use the rainwater for irrigation or other purposes, you'll need a pump to move the water from the storage tank to where it's needed. Make sure to choose a pump that's the right size for your system and that's energy efficient. Tip number 6, use rainwater for irrigation. One of the most common uses for rainwater is irrigation. Using rainwater for irrigation can help you conserve water and save money on your water bill. Make sure to use a drip irrigation system or other water-efficient irrigation method to get the most out of your rainwater. Tip number 7, use rainwater for household use. In addition to irrigation, rainwater can also be used for household purposes, such as flushing toilets, washing clothes, and even bathing. However, it's important to filter and treat the water before using it for these purposes. A carbon filter and a UV treatment system can be used to remove any contaminants. Tip number 8, use rainwater for drinking. While using rainwater for drinking may not be feasible for everyone, it's possible to filter and treat rainwater to make it safe for consumption. A reverse osmosis system can be used to remove contaminants, and a UV treatment system can be used to kill any bacteria. Tip number 9, maintain your system. Maintaining your rainwater harvesting system is important to ensure that it's functioning properly. Make sure to clean the gutters and downspouts regularly, check the storage tank for any leaks or damage, and replace the filter as needed. Tip number 10, get the necessary permits. Before installing a rainwater harvesting system, it's important to check with your local government to see if any permits are required. Depending on where you live, there may be regulations that dictate the size and type of system that you can install. Getting the necessary permits will ensure that your system is legal and up to code. In conclusion, collecting and using rainwater is a great way to conserve water and reduce your environmental impact. By following these 10 tips, you can create a rainwater harvesting system that meets your needs and helps you save money on your water bill. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Brain Booster for more informative and interesting videos.